I think that we are in the middle of a scientific revolution, in the sense that what it was considered clear in the past is now being challenged. If you believe that the sun is coming from the west and you keep on looking at the west, and suddenly you realize that the sun is not coming from the west, it's coming from the east, then of course you are going to make a lot of assumptions that are wrong.
Unfortunately, the current system has gone down the road of consensus driven science, and everybody has to fall in the line and think the same thing and act and do in the same way. And we're just getting more and more of the same.
Well, something needs to be done, and it's not going to be done by the existing institutions. And so IBS seems something that is worth trying, because it will be an independent source of funding, and the criterion for awarding grants will be the scientific promise of what people want to do.
I see several features of IBS that it's very important. First of all, it is based on science, and it is supported by top-level scientists, people who have knowledge and understanding what does it mean scientific, people who have their own tremendous achievement in this field, and people who are open and who have open minds.
I like the idea of funding several different groups on the same general theme, because if you have several groups with different hunches about it, then your chances of getting a real breakthrough is considerably improved.
A group of people who are willing to take risks and fund people to go look in the areas of ignorance where the maps are still blank is definitely going to change the world, because it will literally redraw the map of science.
I think the IBS, in my opinion, has a chance of changing this dynamic and bringing us closer to the roots where science was driven by curiosity and a search for the truth.
Appearance of this institute could be predicted, because the universe and the biosphere and humanity as part of universe and biosphere, it changes according to fundamental laws.
Out of these revolutions, you get fresh insights, and these fresh insights can provide new solutions to problems about what you never dreamed. You get a new perspective and new solution.
This is something where the Institute for Venture Science can really create a new type of culture, scientific culture, that is basically encouraging out-of-the-box thinking.
And that's the essence of the Institute for Venture Science.
I think that our civilization, in its 200 or so, years of true research, has not yet come to the end of any possible fundamental discovery. There are very, very big discoveries waiting for us in the future.
The IBS mission is absolutely critical to innovation and creativity in science for the future.
Yeah, Institute is a kind of attractor, as organizer, you see, of this movement.
With one or two success stories, I think this could become a very important organization in the world's scientific community.
And then support this research, it would be really tremendous contribution to the development of not only science but humankind.
If this goes to scale, this can change the world.
This is the future. Unthinkable ideas today, received wisdom tomorrow, and we hope to see this kind of new growth continuing on from today forward. Thank you very much.